Queen D here, and I am back with another video. I'm back with another video. How you doing? How you been? I hope life has been treating you well, and that you've been taking care of yourself, handling your business, and all of that good stuff. And if you're new here, hello, welcome. My name is Queen D, aka Deja, and the RoyalFam is what I call my supporters and my subscribers. So please make sure that before you leave this video, you are a part of the RoyalFam. That means subscribing and hitting that post notification bell so you don't miss out when I post. And whether you're new or you're old, definitely make sure you follow me on my social media sites in the front of the video, back of the video, down below, in the description box. It's going to be on the screen right here as well. Make sure you follow me on social media, preferably Instagram, because I'm very active on there. And I do a lot of promoting and stuff on there as well. So definitely make sure you check it out. But as you can tell by the title, today is going to be a unboxing and initial review for Jala Skincare. I reached out to them, and they were like, yeah, we definitely have to work with you. So let's get into it. Okay, so if you're interested in seeing what I have to say or seeing what's in this box, then keep on watching. Okay, so like I said, I have an unboxing for Jala Skin. Yes, it's Jala, pronounced Jala, but it looks like Jala, but it's pronounced Jala Skin. And I have yet to open it, so let's get into it. This is a skincare brand, all natural products, homemade, so let's get into it. So, open it. This is what you see. It looks like that. Package look green, and it says thank you. And this is the dark spot. Let me check. The dark spot kit. So, you know, if you have dark spots and things of that nature, this is going to be targeted to help all of that. And you can't really see it, but I do have some dark spots from like acne scars and things of that nature. So after I undo the paper, this is what I see. A little gold bag. So I'm going to take the bag out. And then underneath the bag, there's like a thank you note and things of that nature. And then look inside, there's like rose petals and the wrapping and everything. I think that is really cute. This packaging, you can tell like she put some thought into like the way she packages her stuff. So let me look at this thank you note. It says, it's cute. This is really cute. So thank you. Then it says, it has the pictures, and it's just really cute. It says, thank you for choosing Jala Skin. We're excited to be a part of your beauty routine. Then it has like a little discount code. Then it says the 3-step beauty routine instructions. So it tells you how to use the things that are in here. And it says you should use it 1 time a day, morning and night. And then it just has her Instagram and stuff on it. I'm going to hide the discount code, but like really cute, really cute. And then it has the invoice in there that just says like what I got. So girl, I'm loving it already just by the packaging. So these are what the products come in, and we're gonna open it. So it has wrap with the paper in there as well, and we have the vitamin C lather, which is like the face wash. And it comes in a nice glass bottle. I love when like skincare products come in like glass bottles. I just feel like that's so chic and just very like bougie. So yes, the vitamin C lather. Then we have the sunburst brightening toner. And then lastly we have the rich mango dark spot serum. Ooh. That's cute. And I like this. This bag is cute. Like, this is a real cute bag. So, we have these 3 products that come in the dark spot kit. We have a soap, a toner, and then like a oil serum. So, yes. And I'm already just going to assume that they all smell good. Let me smell the toner. It definitely has like a citrusy smell, but it still smells like toner at the end of the day. Like it doesn't stink, but you know it's a toner. And everything is sealed up so it won't leak out, which I appreciate because I hate when I get products that are spilled and everything like that. Ooh, this is real deal wrapped. Oh, that smells good. Ooh, yes. And then the soap. Let me figure out where to start with unwrapping for this. Ooh. Oh, dang it. Oh, okay. I'm struggling a little bit, y'all, but you know, at least I know things are secure and not gonna spill out and stuff like that. Dang, I can't get it. There we go. I think I got it. Dang, this is secure. Almost done. Y'all a girl. You, but I appreciate this. Like, yeah, it's kind of like, but I appreciate it because you know your product is going to be well and still intact when they get to you. Okay, your girl got it. Okay. So let me open this and smell this. This smells like, it smells like like soap, but it doesn't seem, it just smells like a cleanser. Like, you know, you go to the store and you get like a basic cleanser. That's what it smells like. But so we can, but I think it's gonna do great things. So we're about to go use these products. So follow me into the bathroom and we gonna try them out. So okay, y'all. So have the products here, and I'm going to use them for y'all. So step 1, step 2, step 3. Or do you use the serum? The serum and then the toner. Okay. Step 1, step 2, step 3. So I'm gonna wash my face real quick. So let me wash my hands first. a fresh face, moisturized, clean, all of that. Jala Skin, y'all. Jala Skin. Now, let's go back and talk about what I think. Okay, y'all. So, this is how my skin is looking after using the products. It's feeling very soft. It's not feeling sticky or anything, which I can appreciate because who wants some sticky skin? So, oh, I know, squirted the cleanser a little bit. Okay, but the cleanser, I only used like 2 squirts of this, and it had really good lather. It went on smooth. I was using water to help it to lather up and everything, and I feel like it really was cleaning my skin. It didn't leave it feeling dry afterwards. It didn't leave it feeling sticky. Like, it doesn't feel dry. It doesn't feel sticky. It has some good ingredients in here, so I think after, if I keep using it, it's gonna do what it's supposed to do. It said it fades sunspots and discoloration, promotes even skin tone, gentle enough for daily use. So definitely I can see this being a cleanser that I use daily or even every other day, just when I feel like my skin is breaking out and I got some dark spots I want to get rid of. So I would recommend this Vitamin C Lather by Jala Skin. Then secondly, I used the Rich Mango Dark Spot Serum. It says you should apply small amounts of clean, dry face 1 time a day to promote an even skin tone and fading of dark spots and scars. As I told y'all, when I was in the bathroom, I have like a dark spot up here and then like one right here. But I just used it everywhere and went on nice and smooth. It wasn't too oily. It didn't like feel like it was gonna weigh my face down. I do have like an oily T-zone, really in here on my nose. So I try to be wary when I use like serums and stuff because I do not need the extra oil production. But I don't feel like this is gonna do too much. I don't think it's gonna make or break my oil intake skin. And then lastly, I used the Sunburst Brightening Toner, just to, hold everything in, keep everything in, and all of that. And this, I feel like any toner, it's gonna do what it needs to do. It's not gonna dry me out or anything, because some toners do be drying you out, but I don't think this is gonna do that. It went on nice, and the spray was pretty much even. I didn't feel like it was just spraying in one spot. I feel like it was misty, which is what we need with a toner. So Jala Skin, girl, I think that just from using this kit right here, you have some great products. She does offer a variety of different products, and she does have a variety of different kits as well, pertaining to your skincare needs or your skincare concerns. So I definitely think y'all should check her out and, go see for yourself what she has to offer, because, don't take my word for it. Look for yourself. So that was Jala Skin, y'all. Like I said, I'm impressed. So yes, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I will see you on the next one. Bye.